Hello students, welcome back. Today we will discuss one more important topic, which is about the electric field on the equatorial line of an electric dipole. In the last lecture we have discussed about the electric field on the axial line of an electric dipole. Today we will continue the discussion further with the electric field on the equatorial line of an electric dipole. My dear, first thing is, what is this equatorial line? Equatorial line is simply the point, any point lying on the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector we call as the equatorial line. So, if you consider an electric dipole AB of length say 2a, having charges q and minus q and O as center. And if this line is the perpendicular bisector, or you may call this as the equatorial line of this electric dipole, and if you take any point P somewhere here on the equatorial line, first thing is that how we can have the electric fields at the point P due to these charges placed at A and B. To find the electric fields at the point P, you must have idea about the directions of the electric field. That is important. Here, if you look at the charge Q placed at A, due to this charge, you have the field at the point P also, but the direction of the field is outwards, like this. It will be like this. You can represent this as EA. Why it is outwards? It is outwards because the charge is positive, and from positive charge the field line goes outward. You may remember like this. And in the same manner, if you look at the negative charge, the field at the point P due to this negative charge placed at B is towards B, because this is negative charge, the field lines are inwards. So you have this field as EB towards this. Now, if you draw the horizontal and vertical line at the point P, if these two angles are equal, why they are equal? Because this line is the perpendicular bisector, so these angles are equal, and they say they are equal to theta each. If this is theta and this is theta, then these two angles mathematically are again theta, because these are a pair of corresponding angles. These are a pair of alternate angles. Now, if you take the components of this electric field EA and EB along horizontal and vertical, what we have? Just look at this. The component of EA along horizontal direction is EA cos theta. You already know how to break the components, and this is EA sin theta. In the same manner, the components of EB along horizontal direction, EB cos theta, and here you have EB sin theta. This is EB sin theta. So you have these components. Now just try to find the values of EA and EB from here. So here EA means field at A due to the charge plus Q placed at A is equals to KQ over AP square. AP square. I think it is correct. Or this will be equals to KQ over AP. AP is how much? You can have AP from here. This distance is A, this distance is say R. You have AP as A square plus R square. रूट के अंदर A square plus R square. Because we need AP square, so you directly have A square plus R square. There is no root. What is the direction? Direction is along AP. You write here along AP. In the same manner, EB is equals to KQ over, now this is BP square. or this will further be equals to k q over again the same term a square plus r square, but the direction is now along PB. So along PB. This is first and this is the second. From first and second you can note one thing, that both are equal in magnitude but different in directions. So from first and second, magnitude of EA is equals to magnitude of EB. Magnitude of EA is equals to magnitude of EB. Now, say this is equation number 3. Now, when you break the components of EA and EB along horizontal and vertical, so you can see from here that the vertical components EA sin theta and EB sin theta gets cancels out. Why? Because they are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So components or vertical component, you write vertical component gets cancelled, but horizontal component gets added up to give resultant field. I think it is right. So these two components gets added up to give the resultant field at the point P. So how you can write after adding these two? You can have E equatorial equals to EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. But from equation third, what do you have? From equation third, you have EA equals to EB. So you can write this as twice EA cos theta. Now if you put the values of these quantities, you have twice EA's, how much? K Q over R square plus A square. This is the value of EA. And what about cos theta? Cos theta you can have from this triangle. So cos theta is equals to base over hypotenuse. So base is A and hypotenuse is root के अंदर A square plus R square or R square plus A square को write. R square plus A square. So put this value here, A over R square plus A square power 1 over 2. Further, if you simplify this, you have E equatorial equals 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, the value of K, Q into 2A over, this is R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. So, or further you can write this as 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, this is P, electric dipole moment Q into 2A over R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. And say this is equation number 4. This is E equatorial. Now, as that of the previous case, we can also have some assumption here. If you assume that a point P is quite far, a point P is quite far. अगर point P हमारा बहुत दूर हो, यानी R हमारा बहुत बड़ा हो, that is R greater than A. So A square can be neglected. So you have E equatorial is equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P over A square get cancelled, so you have R square, 2 and 2 get cancelled, you have R cube. And this is equation number 5. I think it is clear. So note one thing, that you have E equatorial as 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught T over R cube. And in the previous lecture, we have derived an expression for E axial, which was 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 2p over R cube. So what you can note from here? This is from previous lecture. So from this equation and this equation, if you compare these two, you have E axial as twice of equatorial. From these two, you have E axial is twice of E equatorial. Thank you.